Hello everybody, my name is Alexey Lensky and this is my if-else statement video, and today we're going to discuss the usage of if-else statement in different methods. And as an example, I took edge detection method, uh, which basically highlights particular edges of our picture. For example, here it will, for example, highlight edges of our background soldiers, and also highlight all thresholds and edges of different objects, for example, of this rifle and the soldier himself. So in the beginning of our code we have a header and our parameter, which is a double amount. Then we set up some points like top pixel, bottom pixel, because at the beginning we set it to null. Then we have two doubles. We set them to 0 because it's beginning, and we have our integer, and y is our y value, our height, which is set to get height -1, so it will be one less than our height. And we have our nested for loops here. In our inner loop we have x statements for x, and in our outer loop we have statements for y. And as we see, it will go until the end y, not until get height. So then we set our top pixel and bottom pixel to our x and y values. As we notice, our bottom pixel is y+1 because I got end y, not get height. It's important. So next we set our top average because we will need this to count our how to say color value, which will be used for edge detection itself. And so the formula consists of if-else statement, and it says that the difference between our two averages, if it's less than our amount, which we set to 25 here, yeah, it's our double amount, we set to 25. So if it's less than this amount, the color of pixel will be set to red. Else, if it will be bigger than our set amount, it will be set to black. And we can see how it works on a picture. Yeah, it highlighted all our pixels which are bigger than the particular value which we set. So thank you for watching. Give your feedback, and thank you.